this video, let's talk about how can you build your own GPTs in few minutes. It's super fast, easy, and awesome. So what are GPTs? It's a brand new feature introduced by OpenAI. These are custom versions of ChatGPT and they do a very specific task for you. So we're going from general chatbot like ChatGPT to things that are very, very specific called GPTs. So let's jump into it. And before we do that, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. So step number one, log into your ChatGPT account and the interface is gonna look different. You used to have some options here. They're moved on this side. So it all kind of looks different. But you're gonna see an option of explore. So when you click on this explore button, these are your GPTs. Customize a version of GPT for a specific purpose. So here are the ones that I have used recently, like Laundry Buddy, Gen Z meme, viral social media post generator, and then here are GPTs made by OpenAI. So OpenAI has made several GPTs that you can test with. So let's talk about how easy it is to create your own GPT. This is kind of like building your own app or building your own website, but without writing a code, because you can just talk to ChatGPT and it will build a GPT for you for a specific purpose. So for example, this is the interface. You have two options, create. So in create, you can just talk to the GPT builder and it will build the GPT for you, or you can also configure it, add name, description, instructions, and do it. So let's actually do the easy way in this video. So create, so what do I want to make? So I'll just say, I want to make a business name generator. So I want to create a GPT where I can go in and type anything, any new startup ideas, YouTube channel names, and it will suggest me, it will give me names for those. So there are a lot of different AI business name generators that people have built, spending a lot of money, resources, time, and you'll see in just a few seconds or minutes, we will be able to build it here inside ChatGPT. All right, here you go. So it's saying how about brand namer? I actually like that name. So if you like that name, great. If not, you can have it redo it. I like the name brand namer, so let's keep it. And now it is also gonna generate a profile picture for me. You see, it's doing all the work for me. It gave me the name, it understood what I want to create, and it also generated a profile picture or a picture or kind of like a logo for app that it used to be. All right, do you like this profile picture? Would you like to change it? So I'm gonna say I like it. Let's keep it as is. And now it's gonna ask me follow-up questions. Great, we'll keep this profile picture for brand namer. That's gonna be it. So we have name, we have the profile picture or a logo. So let's add some context. So now it's gonna just talk to me. All right, to ensure it meets your expectation, should it be versatile enough to generate names for any type of business? I'm gonna say yes, generate names for any type of business, startups, YouTube channels, blogs, in any niche. All right, what kind of names are looking for? Should they be short or catchy? Short and catchy names. Are there any specific themes you like to follow? Modern, traditional, playful. This will help in tailoring a responses more accurately. So I'm just gonna kind of keep it short, simple, and sweet. So what's really interesting is, if you notice, the GPT builder or ChatGPT or OpenAI, it's asking me questions because it wants to build a GPT, a bot for me that's perfect. So it's asking me follow-up question and making me respond to those. All right, let's talk about the brand name. Should interact with users. Should it be formal or casual? So I'm gonna say it should be casual because I want to keep it and friendly. All right, and then how would you like to express it? Should it have a creative or imaginative tone? So I'm gonna say it should have imaginative tone, voice, and let's do that. So it's understanding how this is, because the chatbot or the GPT we're building, it could be direct, it could be formal, it could be casual. So it's understanding, it's asking me all those questions and refining it. So how does this sound after testing? Feel free to let me know if how does this sound? Great. So I'm just gonna keep say great. One thing you'll notice, if you go to configure tab, it's actually filling all these details based on our conversation. So here's the name, here's the description. You can root through the instruction. If you have any specific instructions, you can add it here. Here are the conversation starters. So what people will see when they go to the bot. You can upload files. That's another thing. If you have files, if you're creating a bot and you want to train it based on the certain files, your data, you can upload those files. Capabilities, yes, I want web browsing, DALL-E code, probably not. We're not going to write any code. Let's go back here. All right, so I think we're done. You can now use Brand Builder in the playground. Give it a try with different industry names. All right, so now let's kind of chat with our new GPT that we created, Brand Builder, a brand namer here. So suggest me some names for YouTube channel. I will make AI tools videos. That's pretty meta, but let's test it out. Oh, here you go. So it's giving me AI crafter, tech neuron hub. Ooh, I like AI Odyssey. This is just amazing. So see how in few minutes, I didn't even stop this video. I think in less than 5-10 minutes, you're able to build your GPT for a specific task. You can build GPTs to create logos, to suggest YouTube, to suggest content, YouTube titles, YouTube thumbnails, anything that you can imagine. It's kind of, the limit is your imagination. Now, one last thing, once you're done with your GPT, if you click on save, you have a couple of options. You can publish it as only me, which means it's only going to be private to you, or you can only people with the link. So only people that you share link with, they will be able to use it, or you can put a public. The public is going to launch in GPT store, and you will be able to, just like how people launch apps and make money, you will be able to launch GPTs and make money in future. So you can pick the option that you like. Any questions about building GPTs, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.